The battle of wealth, Oprah's cash versus Musk's investment strategies. When people talk about billionaires, they usually lump them together. But Oprah and Elon Musk built wealth in completely different universes. And that difference is the exact blueprint regular people can use to get rich without guesswork. Oprah became a billionaire by mastering one principle: cash flow you control. Media ownership, licensing, production rights, and equity in every show she touched. Her wealth came from predictable income streams stacked on top of each other. She built cash machines, not rockets. Elon Musk plays a totally different game. He's not focused on cash in the bank. He's focused on asset expansion. He reinvests everything back into Tesla, SpaceX, and AI. He's the blueprint for long-term asymmetric bets. Low liquidity, massive upside. So what's the real difference? Oprah protects wealth with stability. Musk multiplies wealth with volatility. And here's the part most people miss. Cash makes you comfortable. Assets make you wealthy. Oprah's strategy wins in low-risk environments. Musk's strategy explodes in high innovation cycles like right now. So the battle isn't Oprah versus Musk. It's two paths to becoming rich. Build cash flow machines like Oprah, or build long-term asset stacks like Musk. Either path works as long as you stay consistent. So which one fits you?